Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clone Hero with a PS3 guitar. First, gather your PS3 guitar and its specific wireless USB dongle. Next, ensure your computer has an open USB port for the dongle. Then, we will cover installing any necessary drivers and pairing the guitar. Finally, we will configure the controls directly within the Clone Hero game for optimal play. The most crucial step is finding the correct USB dongle for your PS3 guitar. Each guitar model, like a Les Paul or World Tour, typically needs its own unique dongle. They are not interchangeable. Without the right one, your guitar will not connect. Also, make sure your guitar has fresh batteries, as a weak charge can cause connection issues or input lag during gameplay. Once you have the correct dongle, plug it into an available USB port on your computer. Then, power on your PS3 guitar and press the PlayStation button to begin the pairing process. For certain PS3 guitar models, you might need to install additional drivers, such as the Vi-Gem bus driver, or use Zadig to install a Win USB driver for the dongle to ensure proper recognition. With your guitar connected, launch Clone Hero and go to the Settings menu, then select Controls. Here, you will manually map each button on your PS3 guitar to its corresponding action in the game. For the best performance, increase the controller pull rate setting to its maximum. This ensures the game registers your inputs as quickly and accurately as possible, enhancing your playing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.